solutions. My name is Regula. We have already discussed past tense. All the four different aspects of past tense we have already discussed. Today we are going to discuss all these together. All the four different aspects together. Let's begin. I am going to tell you a small story. A story about Mary. Mary is the main character of this story. She is a very good lady. Actually, she became very sad. Day by day, she was putting on weight. She became fatter day by day. Her friend advised her. See, always you are sitting at home without doing any work. That's why you are putting on weight. You do some exercises at home. She agreed. She started doing some exercises at home. See, 3 months. 3 months she continued that. But after 3 months of exercise at home, no use. Okay? Her weight didn't reduce. Weight same. She was putting on weight. No use. So, after 3 months of this exercise at home, she decided to join a fitness center. Now, Mary joined a fitness center. Now, I am going to stop this story for the time being. I will continue Mary's story later. From Mary's story, you got some information. What is the information you got? Mary exercised at home. That's a fact. She continued it for 3 months. Then she joined a fitness center. This is the information you got from Mary's story. How do we convey this information to others? What type of tense we can use for conveying this story, this information correctly? Let's see. Let's see if past simple tense can convey the message, convey the story correctly. Mary exercised at home when she joined a fitness center. That is the sentence in past simple. Here, a timeline is also, there. Here, there is you just see joined here and exercised. Mary exercised at home when she joined a fitness center. And see, look here. Did she exercise at home in the past? Is it clear in this sentence? Did she exercise? Yes, Mary exercised at home. So, it is clear. Then, next. Did it go for a period of time? Is it clear in this sentence? Did it go for a period of time? No, it's not written. It's not mentioned. So, it's not clear. Next one. Did it happen before she joined a fitness center? Mary exercised at home when she joined a fitness center. That means she started exercising at home when she joined a fitness center. This event, this activity happened first. After that only this happened. So, did it happen before she joined a fitness center? So, before she joined, Mary exercised at home when she joined a fitness center means the first event is this one and this is the second event. So, that is also not clear. Actually, there is the opposite meaning. We will get the opposite meaning only. So, here, past simple. If we use past simple, we cannot convey the correct message the correct story. So we cannot use the past simple here. Then next we will see the other aspect of past tense, that is past perfect tense. Look at this example. I used past perfect tense here. Mary had exercised. Had exercised. I used past perfect tense here. At home when she joined fitness center. See the timeline here. So it had happened here. Mary had exercised and joined. After that she joined fitness center. So here, did she exercise at home in the past? Yes, it's clear. She exercised. Then, did it go for a period of time? Is it clear here? No, it's not clear. It happened, but it is not clear. It continued or not. It's not clear. Now, did it happen before she joined a fitness center? Yes, Mary had exercised at home when she joined fitness center. Here I use past perfect tense. That is for the first event. For the first event we have to use past perfect. So I used here. So it's clear. So it's clear. But here did it go for a period of time? That is not clear in this sentence. Now let's see past continuous tense. Now look at this example, that is in past continuous tense. Mary was exercising at home when she joined fitness center. So this is a sentence in past continuous tense. Look here, the timeline. Mary was exercising. Mary was exercising at home when she joined fitness center. An interruption happened. That means that event is an interruption. When she was exercising, this happened. That means she joined fitness center. She joined fitness center. Here she was exercising. Okay, at that time an interruption. So, is it clear from this sentence? Look here, did she exercise at home in the past? Yes, she was exercising. So, she exercised. Correct. Then, did it go for a period of time? Yes, it was a continuous action. So, yes, did it go for a period of time? Yes. Next is, did it happen before she joined a fitness center? No. Did it happen before? No. When she was doing that, when she was continuing that at home, she joined a fitness center. So, that is not clear. So, if we use past continuous tense, we cannot convey the correct message. Next one is past perfect continuous tense. Mary had been exercising at home when she joined fitness center. Here, the timeline here, it's shown here, had been exercising, and here, after that, she joined fitness center. Look, these sentences. Did she exercise at home in the past? Is it clear from this sentence? Yes, it's very clear. It's very clear. Next, did it go for a period of time? Yes. See, had been exercising. It was a continuous process in the past. So, it's very clear. Then, did it happen before she joined a fitness center? Yes. So, it happened. That means that she had been exercising at home. First, that is the first event, and after that only this event happened. That's also clear from this sentence. So, that's also very clear. So, the correct story is very clearly conveyed by using past perfect continuous tense. I think now we have discussed all the 4 different aspects of past tense with this example. I think it's very clear now. So, bye. See you next week.